Alright, so using a toilet paper roll 4.5 inches long, you look through that, that is really, you're not going to have any eyepieces that are so bad that it's that much of a tunnel. Okay, cut it in half, and now you're starting getting into the realm of some of what the cheaper bad eyepieces look like. It's around, this is about 33, so that's about 4.5 inches, 2 1/4. Okay, this is 1 1/4 inches. Okay, that's actually, you start getting into this is probably what your Plossil's, your kit eyepieces, your quality brands, cheaper eyepieces are going to have. Hold that up your eye, 1.5 inches. That's about what it's going to look like. So go to 1 inch, and you see, and again, cut these up, 1.5 inches, inch, 1/2 inch, just a good idea. So that's not bad. That's better, not dramatically better, but you know, this is probably your 68 or 72 wide fields. Not bad. 1/2 inch. Okay, now this is what your ultra wide fields start looking like. And I tried cutting them shorter, but the reality is your face isn't, you know, it's hard to jam that in. But so that's really about 1/2 inch is about as good as you'll ever get as far as mimicking an eyepiece. So so go from 1.5 inch, 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch is good, and you can get wider than this, but it's like if you were to cut smaller than that, you're not really going to see that much more, and that's similar to paying the difference between an 82-degree field of view, apparent field of view, and 100 and 110. So that's a visceral. This is what it feels like. Without having to buy some eyepieces, just cut up a paper roll, and you get a real good idea of what it feels like. So again, the magnification is the same, 1.00 on all these, but the feel, completely different. Okay, I'm good.